Welcome to Turbo Tune Garage, your ultimate destination for the latest car reviews, feature highlights, and auto tech insights. If you're a car enthusiast or simply someone looking for trustworthy information before buying your next ride, this is the place for you. Today we're diving into a closer look at the 2025 Jetour X90, specifically in the eye-catching red color variant. This SUV has been gaining attention in various international markets, and for good reason. With its bold exterior design and enhanced performance features, the Jetour X90 stands out in a competitive segment. The red color adds a dynamic flair to the already aggressive styling, with its chrome-accented front grille, LED headlights, and sculpted body lines making a powerful visual statement on the road. Under the hood, the 2025 Jetour X90 is equipped with a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. This powertrain offers a smooth driving experience with enough torque to handle both city traffic and long-distance cruising. For those looking for a bit more muscle, there is also an option with a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine that provides a stronger performance profile. Jetour has clearly focused on delivering a balance of power and fuel efficiency, making the X90 a practical choice for families and solo drivers alike. Inside the cabin, the X90 is all about comfort and technology. The 3-row seating setup ensures it can accommodate up to 7 passengers, and the red exterior variant often comes paired with a black or tan leather interior, adding a premium feel. The infotainment system features a 12.3-inch touchscreen, wireless smartphone integration, voice control, and a fully digital instrument cluster. Rear passengers aren't left behind either, with rear AC vents, USB ports, and plenty of legroom enhancing the travel experience. In terms of features, the 2025 Jetour X90 includes a long list of modern amenities. These include a panoramic sunroof, 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The build quality is commendable, with soft-touch materials, ambient lighting, and sound insulation that gives the X90 a refined, quiet ride. When it comes to reviews, the Jetour X90 has been praised for offering high value at a competitive price. Critics and users alike appreciate its spacious interior, good fuel economy, and the technology-loaded dashboard. The ride quality is generally smooth, though some have noted that handling could be slightly improved, especially at higher speeds or sharp corners. Nonetheless, the vehicle shines in daily usability and comfort, which are major priorities for most SUV buyers. Now let's talk about pricing. The 2025 Jetour X90 starts at an estimated price of around 15 to 20 lakh Indian rupees in international equivalents, depending on the variant and options selected. The red color often comes as part of a mid to top trim package, which means it might be on the slightly higher side of the price range. However, considering the feature set, interior space, and design appeal, it still delivers solid bang for your buck. It competes well with other midsize SUVs in the market, including offerings from brands like MG, Chery, and Haval. Overall, the 2025 Jetour X90 in red color is a great choice for buyers seeking a stylish, tech-savvy, and comfortable SUV without breaking the bank. It's perfect for those who value aesthetics just as much as practicality and want a vehicle that reflects a modern lifestyle. Whether you're planning a family road trip or just want a commanding presence on the road, this SUV checks a lot of the right boxes. Thanks for tuning into Turbo Tune Garage. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and automotive insights. Your support helps us keep bringing you the best content in the world of wheels.